It's the biggest furniture sale of the year.
Come on, every week there's a new sale. I'm Alex, and this is Northeast Factory Direct. It's not fancy, I know, but our stuff is, and our prices can't be beat. In 1999, I started with one dining room set out of my garage. We've grown into two big warehouses filled with the exact same high quality furniture, mattresses, kitchen cabinets, and hot tubs you'd find at the big box or fancy retail stores. The only difference is we sell it for about half of retail prices. How do we do it? At Northeast Factory Direct, you just pay for what you get. You don't pay for the outrageous rent or expensive decorations. We've cut out all the overhead and passed the savings on to you. Everything we have is brand new, high quality, and we'll even deliver it. So if you want nice things for your home and want to pay half of what most people pay, come see us at Northeast Factory Direct.